Have you ever wondered what makes a portable pizza oven truly stand out? Let's dive into the Ooni Karu 12G and discover its features. This oven has been tested rigorously and proves to be top-notch in the portable pizza oven category. The Ooni Karu 12G is priced between $420 and $449. But is it worth it? Absolutely. This unit is equipped with superior thermal retention and innovative design. Unlike its predecessor, it features a carbon steel shell, which enhances durability and efficiency. One of its key components is the clear view door made from borosilicate glass. This door allows you to observe your pizza without losing heat, ensuring your cooking environment remains stable. Say goodbye to the typical temperature drops found in other models. Now, let's discuss the baking surface. The 12G has a 15mm cordierite baking stone. This thickness means it can hold heat better, leading to perfect pizza bakes. And did you know that it recovers heat quickly? After baking, it only takes a couple of minutes to heat back up. Let's move on to performance. We tested how quickly the oven could reach the ideal temperature for Neapolitan pizza. In wood-fired mode, it reached 850 degrees Fahrenheit in just 18 minutes. Using gas, it achieved this in under 16 minutes. Efficiency matters, especially when camping. In our baking tests, we found it maintained a solid temperature, even after multiple pizzas. This oven stands out because it avoids the common cooling issues seen in many portable ovens. Portability is important for outdoor cooking. The 12G weighs 34.2 pounds but remains easy to transport. Its folding legs and detachable chimney make it compact for travel. If you're a camping enthusiast or love outdoor cooking, the Ooni Karu 12G is a worthy investment. It combines innovation, efficiency, and portability. Don't miss out on this oven that redefines outdoor cooking. Ready to step up your outdoor cooking game? Check the link in the description to learn more about the Ooni Karu 12G. Enjoy delicious pizzas in any setting.